G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the reflection there is the lights. We'll zoom in. Okay, the first piece is presenting itself as almost white type material. Nice colours showing through here, up through here as well. I'm getting colour coming through here, so maybe it might go right through. It's got like a scale over it, so it's hard to tell, but that's the opal seam there. That's one piece. The other piece is reds and greens through here. Just potch over here, and faces are blue. There's nothing much else in it. Solid stone. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Looks like a nice little stone perhaps there. Cheers.